Isosceles triangle, the vertex angle is twice as either of the base. Find the base angle. Now, a isosceles triangle is a triangle where the two sides are equal. So, their respective angles are also equal. And only this one angle will be different. So, this is the vertex angle. The top angle is vertex angle. Now, here it is saying the vertex angle is twice as the base angle. So if the base angle is say B, then vertex angle will be twice as B. That means 2B. And we know that total of all the angles is 180 degree. So if we add all the angles, we will get the total as 180 degree. So two base angles are there and one vertex angle is there. So we will add all the three angles. B plus B, two base angles, and the third one is vertex angle, that is 2B is equal to 180. Now if we add all this, we will get 4B is equal to 180. Now we can take this 4 to the other side and we will go do the division. 180 by 4. Now it can easily get cancelled and we will get 45 as the answer. So B is equal to 45. Therefore the base angle is 45. When you multiply a number by 6 and subtract 5 from the product, you get 7. Can you tell what the number is? So when you multiply a number, so here is some unknown number. We will keep it as x. Number is x. And if you multiply this x by 6, so we will have 6x and subtract 5 from the product. So from this we will subtract 5. Then you get 7. That means equals to 7. So what is the number we have to find? So if we solve this equation, find out the value of x, we will get the number. So minus 5 goes to the other side and then it will carry plus sign. 6x is equal to 7 plus 5. Now here we will solve, do the addition. 6x is equal to 12. Here 6 is in multiplication form. It goes to the other side. It will get into the division part. X is equal to 12 by 6. Easily gets cancelled. You will get 2. X is equal to 2. So the number is 2. What is that number? 1/3 of which added to 5 gives 8. So let the number be x. So this is the unknown number. So what is the number? What is that number? 1/3 of which? That means we have to do 1/3 of this number. That means 1 by 3 x, of which added to 5. That means we will have to add 5 to it. Gives 8. Gives means equals to 8. So this will be the equation. Solving this equation, finding the value of x will give the value of the unknown number. So here we can do is plus 5. First will go to the other side. Here plus sign is there with 5. So when it goes to other side, it goes with a minus sign. So x by 3 equals to 8 minus 5. Now solving this, we will get x by 3 is equal to 8 minus 5 is 3. Now this 3 is in the division part. So if it goes to the other side, it goes as in multiplication. X is equal to 3 multiplied by 3. Now 3 multiplied by 3 will be 9. So x will be 9. So the unknown number is 9. 1/5 of a number minus 4 gives 3. What is the number? So we will first keep the unknown number as x. Now 1/5 of a number, that means 1 by 5 of a number, minus 4 gives 3 means equals to 3. So this is the equation. We will now solve this equation to find x. Now here minus 4 will go to the other side. When minus sign will go to the other side and it will get converted to plus sign. So x by 5 equals to 3 plus 4. Now we will further solve this. X by 5 will remain as it is and 3 plus 4 will be 7. Now here 5 is there in the division part. If it goes to the other side, it will go in the multiplication part. So x equals to 7 multiplied by 5. So this will give us x equals to 35. So the unknown number is 35. If I subtracted 11 from twice a number, the result was 15. So now if we need to find the unknown number, we will first put the number as x. So the unknown number is x. If I subtract 11 from twice a number, that means the number has to be multiplied with 2. So 2x minus 11. If I subtract 11 from twice a number, the result was 15. That means equals to 15. So this is the equation, and if we solve this, we will get the value of x. Now minus 11 will go to the other side and it becomes plus 11. So 2x equals to 15 plus 11. Now we will solve this further. 15 plus 11 is 26. Now we can take 2 to the other side, and here it was in the multiplication part, so on the other side it goes to the division part. So x is equal to 26 by 2. Now it is easily gets cancelled. We will get the answer as 13. X is equal to 13 will be the answer. So the unknown number is 13.